want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Introduction. Today, we are going to be exploring the Empress Tarot card. This card is often associated with abundance, creativity, and nurturing energy. Let's dive in and see what this card has in store for us. Card description. The Empress is the third major arcana card and represents abundance, fertility, and creativity. In the card, we see a beautiful, serene woman sitting on a throne surrounded by lush greenery and a flowing river. She is often shown wearing a crown of stars and holding a scepter, symbolizing her power and authority. The Empress represents fertility, creativity, and abundance. Meaning, the Empress is a card of nurturing energy and abundance. It encourages us to tap into our creative potential and to nurture ourselves and those around us. This card often appears when we are experiencing a period of growth and abundance in our lives. It reminds us to be grateful for what we have and to share our blessings with others. Symbolism. The Empress card symbolizes motherhood, nurturing, and growth. The greenery around her represents the abundance of nature, while the river flowing behind her represents the flow of life. The eagle on her shield symbolizes strength and wisdom. Interpretation. When this card appears in a reading, it signifies the manifestation of creative ideas, fertility, and abundance. It may also indicate a need to nurture oneself or others, or to tap into one's maternal instincts. The Empress card invites us to connect with nature, embrace our creativity, and celebrate the beauty of life. Reversed meaning. When the Empress appears reversed, it can indicate a lack of nurturing energy or an imbalance in our lives. It may suggest that we are neglecting our own needs or not taking care of ourselves. It can also indicate a need to be more mindful of our resources and to avoid overindulgence. Conclusion. The Empress Tarot card is a powerful symbol of abundance, creativity, and nurturing energy. It reminds us to tap into our creative potential and to nurture ourselves and those around us. We hope this video has been helpful in exploring the meaning of this card. Don't forget to like my video.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.